I'm not there, my easy, baby. Why you want to give me control? If you want to get.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I recently got a ring light, finally, which cost me not much compared to the number of ones I've already seen. So this is like an unboxing ring light, cheapest ring light you can get for this particular brand, let's say brand, or this particular type, 18 inches ring light. This is the cheapest you can get. So this is a video showing you guys how I unbox and how to set it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. So this is the carton it came in. As you can see, so it also has a bag, cute, and the tripod stand. So I'm going to start with the tripod stand first because that's the usual thing to do. So I had already set it up before out of curiosity and out of excitement. So this is the stand. Let me give you one click. Whatever. So it's quite difficult, so you just put your hand inside and push it out. That's what I do, and you just open it up. I think you have to loosen this side. You have to loosen it so that it won't break. Hello. So that is what you do. So I just put my lap here, then I make it stand. Like right now, it's standing on its own. So you just if you want to take it up, you just do this and it comes up. That's basically that. If you want it to go up more, you just do this and it goes up. That's basically it. Yes, for the tripod stand, whatever. So this is how it is. Cute. It's quite cute, you know. So now to the ring light. I wanted the pink because I'm a pink kind of girl. So this is how it looks like at the back. This is his own brand, Austin something on Instagram. It is his own brand, normal person, like other kind of ring light. No, some people have their own different ring light, but which is my rechargeable ring light with battery. This is where the battery supposed to be. I didn't get the battery now. I'll still get them later, but for the video, this is how it is. This is where the battery slot comes in. Then this is the power off and on. Then this is the cord for connecting. Then this doesn't come with filter, like attachable filter. It comes, losing this, because that is going to be what to make it tighter here. So I'm just going to put it here. It's loose already, so I'm going to tighten it so it will be firm. You don't want your ring light falling off, trust me, you don't want that. So yeah, let me bring it down so you guys can see. So this is how it's going to be. This is the adjustable to make it come forward or go backwards. Okay. So this is basically it. There are other components inside. It comes with a mirror. Who doesn't like a cute mirror? Two phone holders for two different sides going to be used. So this particular one, as you can see, there is a screw here or whatever. So is just to screw it, tighten it so it just stands firm. So this is how it's going to be. Then you can bend it however you want to. Then this other one, is for this side. As you can see, there's kind of like a hole here, so I'm just going to put this in and tighten it so it doesn't move. So yeah, you can put your phone here, and this is the power source if you're not using a battery. So this is it. It doesn't come with like that adapter. Like I said, this is not the normal ring light you guys get. It's like a branded ring light. So I'm just going to connect it on here. This is where I'm going to put it and connect. Oh my god, oh, can you see that effect? Like, so as I said, it doesn't have a detachable filter, so you can either switch it on, switch it I think orange, yeah, this is orange, like very dark orange, or white. It has a warm white too, which is like, this is like the best. So I'm going to like switch it back to the ring light so you guys can see a clearer view of me. And this is like the cheapest ring light you can get anywhere, trust me. Like for this particular ring light, I know there are some other ring lights that are not like this, but for this particular one, this is the cheapest you can get, and I got it for 20,000 naira. Is how many dollars? I don't know, I'll have to check that and I'll write it here somewhere. So this is like the cheapest ring light you can get. The only disclaimer is that this disclaimer, like this, oh my god, ring light is mad and I like it. Okay, let me tell you the features why I like ring light. Number one, the filter. You don't need to put orange filter, remove it, put white. That shit is stressful, trust me. I love the fact that it's inbuilt. You don't need to stress in your life. Just plug it in and you're good to go. Like this is mad. This is mad. Like, excuse me. And you can check him on Instagram at Austin7070. I think the ship worldwide or to wherever your location is in Nigeria. I'm now an owner of a ring light, and like I said, I tried doing a ring light with a LED light. It didn't turn out good. Like, I was upset. So thank you for watching my ring light unboxing video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to follow him